So could you say your name?
My name is Karen Atkinson.
And we've known each other quite a while now.
Yes.
When did you have knee operations?
The first one was in 2011, and the second one was in 2012.
How bad did it get before surgery?
My left knee, I could not even, it was straight. I couldn't bend it very much at all. So,
and if you tried to bend it, what would happen?
I just couldn't. It was very painful.
So you had to kind of walk with a straight leg to get around?
I did.
It happened in both knees or something similar?
Yeah, the other knee had the same issue.
So we were able to do partial knee replacement, the Patella Femoral joint.
We like to hike up in the mountains, and I was able to go up and down the hills much easier. It was not so painful. Right now it's very hot in Bakersfield, so we're not walking as much, but we usually try to walk a couple miles a day. And at our cabin in the mountains, we have stairs. So I'm going up and down the stairs a lot.
So you can go up and down stairs and you can hike.
Yes.
That's wonderful. And the other thing that I've noticed that's so impressive is your range of motion. But you have really good range of motion.